So when you're an early developer, you're early in your career, one of the first things you do is you build your first portfolio site. So I'm going to show you my very first portfolio site. It's several years old. I thought it was very cool. I had video, I had jQuery, it was mobile. And maybe if you're like me, that helps you land a job for the next couple years, and everything's great. But when you come time to look for your next opportunity, you go back and you look at your old portfolio site, and that's just not going to cut it. You've grown so much since then. So I want to show you, I spent a lot of time, okay, I was going to update my portfolio. I was going to add some new posts, some new whatever, and then you look at the code and it's all garbage, so you want to redo the whole thing, and it takes you a couple weeks. I thought to myself, we're programmers. We should not ever be manually updating our portfolio. And I thought to myself, how would we automatically update our portfolios? And one way is to have a habit of video recording what you're working on regularly. Except you don't actually need to have that habit. That's what we do here at Las Vegas Developers. We do this once a month at Demo Day. You can show off whatever you're building, and you can get an automatic video recording. And now with this API that we have, this is live, it's public, developers.vegas/API/V1 presentations, and then slug, whatever your slug is. Your slug is typically your first name and your last name. If there's more than one of you, you can add a -2. So I'm going to show you what this API looks like. There we go. And let's blow this up. I'm on a Mac though. There we go. So you've got some metadata up front letting you know that you've hit the right person. This is the right person. And then it has all of my presentations that I've ever given since we started filming in an API. And so your goal is to make this automatic. So your blog should be fetching from the API on a regular basis. So I want to show you my portfolio today. This is my portfolio. And if you look at the articles, they're regularly posted once a month. And if you look at this one, you've made changes using clone deep to diff state. Actually, this one, it's already, the API has been updated today already. So it has the Busy Programmer's Guide to Updating Your Portfolio. That's me. My blog hasn't pulled from this just yet. But if you look at just here, you've made changes using clone deep to diff state. It's right there. And the next one, the implications of responsive design. It's the next post. There it is. So all my blog is doing, I'm using Gatsby, which is a server-side rendering React-based framework. It can pool data from all different sources, and an API being one of those sources. So it regularly, about once a month, or whenever I decide to just push, it'll pull from my data sources, create pages, and then push them up and audit. So it's automatically updating my blog for me. I don't have to go in and type anything, and I can show you what it looks like when you click in on a post. That's what you click right there. And this is just data from the API. So that's how to automatically update your blog, because you're a lazy programmer.